Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to publish a website on GitHub. Let's get started. Head over to the GitHub website and hit sign up if you haven't already. Then you can sign into your account. Then it should lead you to your dashboard, which looks like this, and click on the green new button. Then you need to import your repository name. You can scroll down all the way to the bottom and hit create repository. Once you've done that, you need to hit upload an existing file, click choose your files, then select all the files that relate to your website. This can include your index, your style, your JavaScript, and all your images, all the relating files to your website. Hit open, and once this is all loaded, scroll down to the bottom and hit commit changes. Once you've processed your files, you need to head over to settings and scroll down to pages. Then you need to go to branches and select none to main and hit save. After a few reloads, your link should pop up like so. Now once you've clicked on this link, it leads you into your own website. You can share this link and it will work on other devices. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe, like and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.